How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to fix an issue that a lot of people have been facing, the Facebook profile lock option not showing up. So if you've been trying to lock your Facebook profile but can't find your option when you head over to your profile, these are the solutions you can follow up in order to do that. So first thing is making sure your app is updated to the latest version. So go ahead and open up Play Store first. And once you open up Play Store, you can go to the search bar and make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version, as some features like profile lock option are only available in the latest version of the app. So go ahead and visit the App Store or Google Play Store and update your app to the latest version. Another thing is checking if that profile lock option is available in your region yet or not. The profile lock feature is not available everywhere yet, so you need to wait in a country to have that feature rolled out gradually. Now let's say even after that, if you're not getting that feature, what you can do is head over to your profile page and tap on the three dot for more options. And if the profile lock option is available, you can see the lock button. You can just use this option in order to lock your profile. So that is it. These are the methods you can follow for now if you want to lock your Facebook profile and you want to fix that issue. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.